Hey guys, it is now Wednesday morning and I'm feeling much better. I don't know what I've vlogged over the last few days, but I think I vlogged last night showing you guys my partner and I building a Lego piece set that we got from Lego. So we saw this, we were watching a vlog by Dean and Stacey, if you guys don't know who they are. Amazing travel vloggers, and they were talking about it, and I think they're part of the campaign to promote it, or they're part of the reason why. I'm not really sure, but anyway, we were building that last night. I went back to work yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was the first day back at work for the week, and I was not feeling 100%. I thought I was. Sorry, I'm just gonna do my skincare while we talk. Also, excuse if I'm bleeding a bit. Actually, I don't even remember what else have I done. Okay, let's start from the very beginning of like last week. I had my laser hair removal, and the hairs are still growing, which is what I expected. And I feel that some of the hairs are quite thin and quite brittle. So when I was shaving, you know, I accidentally cut myself because the hairs were just a bit rougher than usual. But again, something I expected. Gonna apply some serum. This is the Good Molecule Super Peptide Serum. I'm really enjoying this. I didn't really think I was going to enjoy this because I thought it was quite plain, but my skin seems to be liking it. Had the hair removal. Like I said, I had the vaccine. I was really unwell for a day. Actually maybe 2 days, and then yeah, like yesterday when I went back to work, I was just not really feeling it. I was like really clogged up in the ears. It was really hard to hear people, and I just wasn't, not overall feeling too good. And it was a bit stressful at work, to be honest. So it just kind of like all compounded, but anyway, today's my day off, so I can kind of just relax, recoup. And my partner has just received a package for me. It's from Max Media Lab, which is a PR company here in Australia, and I believe it's for a Fenty Beauty package that I was, talking to them about, and they were going to send it over. So I'm really excited to see what they've sent me, and I'll possibly film later this afternoon as well. Just depends, because I don't know. I feel like Fenty is one of those brands that I actually genuinely get really excited about, because I guess I don't have a lot of Fenty products, so whenever I do receive a package that have Fenty products, I'm just like really excited to try it out. Okay, yeah, I'm still kind of bleeding. Let me get tissue. I'm sure the guys know this, but just use like toilet paper. Kind of just let it sit there for a sec, just where it's bleeding. And I'm using a new razor too, so you can tell it's not really the razor, it's really just the, what's it called? The hairs themselves. So I've been using this one from Biore, the Water Essence Aqua Rich. Again, I've got a discount code for Yes Style if you guys would like to purchase this from Yes Style, but yeah, I've been really enjoying it. It doesn't feel too oily on the skin, which a lot of Asian sunscreens or Asian skincare can sometimes feel, and I personally don't like it. I like hydrating, but not oily. Just a generous amount, getting it all pretty much everywhere that I need it. Okay, my camera ready? Probably not, but that will do. This is the progress we've got so far. I mean, obviously there's like a couple of continents missing in this, but we've got one plate here, which is kind of like just North America, and we've got right side of Asia, and we've got Australia, New Zealand, so we're pretty much just missing the middle part, so like Europe, Africa obviously, and South America. Like last night we were watching Rick and Morty while we were doing this bit here, and we got really sidetracked because that show, if you ever watch that show, you understand. It's just a lot of WTF moments, and it's just so much happening all at once. But yeah,
all your attention or none of your attention.
Yeah, exactly. You can't really concentrate just because there's just so much happening. So like literally I think I was working on maybe this panel or that panel over there, and I'd have to look at the guidebook probably 3 or 4 times because I lose my place, because every time I look at the TV I'd be like, what the hell's going on, and I look back down like, oh gosh, I've lost my place. So yeah, definitely not a show to be watching while you're doing something like this. And we are in day 2 of another lockdown. I believe it's lockdown number 6 now. I was just very surprised that we went back into lockdown so quickly. Anyway, today is day 2. Yesterday I just chilled. I filmed a look yesterday with glitter. I don't know if you guys can see glitter particles on my face. So, you know, whenever you've done, you know that if you've ever played with glitter makeup, you know that your face is going to be covered in glitter for at least a couple of days, so we'll see. I've decided to do a little challenge for myself during this lockdown and try and upload a real video every single day of this 7-day lockdown and see how that goes. A lot of my friends have been doing really well on Instagram by uploading reels, and their views are skyrocketing, and I think it's because of how consistent they are. So I want to see how this goes by uploading 7 looks for 7 days. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm very relaxed at the moment, so I've got all my creative juices flowing at the moment, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to come up with 7 looks. 7 days, 7 looks doesn't seem to be much, but we'll see how that goes. And if this lockdown is potentially extended, then I will potentially film more, but we'll see how that goes. It depends on my energy level as well. So today is a very gloomy day. I was kind of wanting to maybe go for a walk, but it's a bit gloomy and it might rain, so I might give that a skip today. I might just walk on the treadmill today while watching a show. You can hear the birds in the trees. For the last few days, I've been really craving nachos. So like Guzman y Gomez nachos, or just like not homemade, but you know what I mean, like make stuff at home. So I'm gonna go see if I can get ingredients for some nachos, some pork nachos. So my nachos are very, very simple. So if you guys are, you know, Hispanic, please don't judge me for what I'm going to be making. But that's just how I like making it. Fast forwarding to the next day, I'm very inconsistent the last few days with this vlog, but hopefully it will all make sense. So yes, yesterday we went to the supermarket and then we pretty much just ordered fish and chips for dinner. Nothing really else much happened. I did film a video for Instagram, Reels, TikTok, that sort of stuff. But I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I picked up yesterday. I know I didn't mention that I found this really cool video on TikTok. Like I was using this beef stroganoff sauce and like mashed potato balls on top to kind of like make a pie. So that was really cool. So I thought I would try and replicate that. So I grabbed that sauce. It was on special 2 for 1 for the Master Foods. So I thought I'd also grab the buttered chicken one because we like buttered chicken. And then, silly me, I completely forgot to grab some guacamole and some sour cream for the nachos, which we were also going to be using for the wraps anyway. So I might have to try and order it through Uber Eats, or otherwise the next time we go out. But yeah, I'm trying not to go out as much because a lot of the exposure sites that we are seeing on the news at the moment are from like supermarkets, so it's like really scary. So I'm trying not to go out as much as possible. Also, don't mind that mark on my hand. I was vacuuming, I think it was yesterday, and then I was trying to get some of the dirt out of the container, like the dust container, and then I put my hand in there and I must have scratched myself in there, but yeah, it's healing. It was like really, really swollen the other day, so I was quite concerned, but at least it's done. Yeah, so those are what I picked up. And then also for corn chips, I have these ones. So I'll show you guys how I make it when we actually do have all the ingredients. Received a package from Mecca. So this is the package and it contains a couple of products from Kylie Skin. So I believe this is like a new collection. It's the detox collection, I believe. So we've got a detox face mask. This one's like a clay mask. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. A black clay mask, I suppose. Doesn't really have a very strong scent. I might try this over the next few days, see how it works on my skin. But yeah, it's supposed to be a detoxifying clay mask. I also got this really cute headband. I do enjoy using these. I don't use these as often because, I don't know, I always get them dirty and I just feel like I don't want to wear them again, and it takes me forever to do washing for these sort of things because I do my towels and stuff with these. Yeah, so that's just me being pedantic with my towels and stuff. We also also have this. This is the Clear Complexion Correction Stick. So if you've got pimples, we've also got the face brush. So I believe you use this with the mask. And then we also have the clarifying facial oil, which I'm actually quite interested to see how it works. I mean, like when I read the brief, it seemed to be quite interesting, and the ingredients so far look okay. I'm not really 100% sure just yet. And then we also have a hand mirror, which is actually quite cute. I might actually start using that in my makeup tutorial videos. And then I've just made myself a coffee. So I've also just finished exercising. I've just had a shower. My hair is doing something weird again. I really need to touch up my roots. It's really annoying. I was actually considering getting my partner to do like the shaving bit on the sides of my head and the back of my head, because we do have a clipper here. But I don't know. I'm just gonna sit here and just kind of maybe plan some content. I don't know. I'm at a loss in terms of content for the vlogs, just because what am I going to do? We can't go out. I was going to show you guys a bubble tea place. I was going to show you guys like this dessert whole show thing, and yeah, I don't know. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, like, I just don't know what to do with these vlogs. Oh, and I also forgot to show you guys. This is the map. It's finally done. Let me try and zoom out. That's what it looks like. It is so cool. I think my partner and I did this in maybe 3 or 4 days. Like not complete days. It was just like maybe a couple of hours every night or so. And yeah, this is really cool. So it's just sitting on the desk at the moment. We're planning to get some hooks maybe, and then stick it just underneath the air conditioning unit, so that you know, this is like the desk area. We can just have that there as a little display piece. But yeah, it was really fun doing this. It's really cool. I don't know if you guys can see the textures, but yeah, really cool. We are going to be using some extra pieces that we have to sort of like dot out places that we've been to. So like obviously Melbourne, Sydney, Hong Kong, Japan, Thailand. So I think that's going to be like a little thing with this whenever we do travel, when we finally can. Fingers crossed. Yeah, we're just going to put little darts, I guess, as to where we are going. What was that? I just heard one of my neighbors, I think, drop something. Hey, it is 5:50 and I'm about to get dinner ready. So if you're hearing a bit of noise in the background, I have got my convection oven air fryer just preheating. Okay, so I placed the stew into one of my oven-safe glassware, and I've just put on some foil as per the instructions, and then, oh, it smells so good already. I cannot wait. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of beef in general, but this smells amazing and I cannot wait to dig into it.